beautiful as. It's so high and so golden plated all around. It's really amazing, and I guess here is the cabin of the captain. All the ropes and cannons, everything is so real. As you can see, it's so genuine, and I really like this antique piece of art. Really nice. Here you see the deck again. Wow. Now we are at the Cathedral of Genoa, which is very beautiful. Especially the golden ceiling is really amazing. You look. Really impressive. This is an old masterpiece from the 17th century, which was just renovated over 20 years from 1990 to 2010. It's really amazing. It's a huge masterpiece. Here you can see the details. So, before I get back to my car, I just want to show you a typical street here in Genoa, and most of the buildings are somehow yellow, and there are also quite a number of old buildings. So this is a bank, and yeah, just a short impression of the streets. And now we are at the very center of Genoa, which is the fountain here. This is the center of Genoa, and surrounded by impressive buildings. Unfortunately, we don't have blue sky, but you just have to imagine how it would look with blue sky. Okay, see you later. Also a very nice church with a special design, like a zebra. And this is a shopping street with many little shops and gelaterias, which means ice cream shops. Hello, welcome back my friends. Oh, it was a very rainy day, Here you see the clouds in the back, especially the black ones. And also here it's getting better, but it's very, very cold. We have around 10 degrees and it's very wet. And so I have decided today not to use my tent, but instead renting a room, a cheap room, 36 euro. And yeah, I need to wash my clothes, I need to charge my stuff, and I also would like to have Wi-Fi again, which I didn't have over the past few days. So it's really a little bit sad or depressing that the weather is that shit right now. Even I am now on the Riviera, on the sea, in the south of Italy, not too far from Sanremo, and the city is called Diana Marina, I think. Diana Marina. It's a small village, a small town. As I said, on the sea, quite nice, but the weather is really bad. So it's cold and it's really not the best time for sleeping again in a tent like last night when it was very, very wet and very, very rainy and thunderstorm. So anyway, I will check now out a little bit this town, this village, and I will show you a little bit around how it looks like, and hopefully tomorrow I can get back to my camping routine in a campground closer to Monaco, which is my next destination. And hopefully the weather will increase and the sun will come back, and especially it should be warmer than it's now. Okay, my friends. So this is the little hotel. Of course, I got a room not on the seaside, but on the other side, but it doesn't matter. And here you get a view of this quite nice area here. And you see it's very windy and the sky is still very, very dark. So I think there will be more rain coming tonight, and I was really not in the mood to spend another night on my car in the tent in the rain. So this is how it looks like. Quite cold. And I also think that more than 20 degrees centigrade, I guess. And it seems that I'm the only tourist here right now. So it's not very cool. I just saw a few buses and a few foreign cars from Spain and from Netherlands, and also one from Germany, but as you can see, there are no other people around, and most of the windows are closed. So I will walk around now a little bit and see if I can find some decent food for a good price. I hope so. And then later on I will enjoy a shower and a bed without rain and without wind. So it looks nice, but as I said, it's not the best weather right now for camping. So I wish you a good evening wherever you are, and send you my warmest and my coldest regards. Hopefully tomorrow it will be better. Good morning, my friends. My God, life and weather are really the same. It's a pure roller coaster. After yesterday's weather disaster, I have to tell you, or I'm happy to tell you, that the weather today is much better, has improved a lot. And as you can see, this is the kind of weather what I need for my tent, for my camping and for my trip. Blue sky and green palm trees and white little waves, smaller waves than yesterday, and especially it's dry and very nice. It's about 24-23 degrees centigrade, and yes, this is what I want. I had a good sleep, good shower, two good showers, and now I'm ready to take off with the destination Monaco. Actually, I don't know where to park there because it's such a small country, but we will find out. And yeah, I wish you a happy Thursday and give you another short view of this beautiful beach. See you later. So hello my friends, I'm now still in France, or already in France, in the border area between France and Monaco, close to Nice. And yeah, it was actually quite hard and difficult to find a parking space in the Monaco area. There were only streets and houses and buildings, but no any parking. So I decided to park a little bit aside from Monaco, around 45 minutes by walk, and I have found a parking area which is, I think, free of charge on the top of a mountain. And now I'm walking back from that mountain closer to the border between France and Monaco. So I give you a first view. It's really wonderful, and it's sunny, it's not too hot, but it's really warm, and it's a very perfect day, I hope. And I will give you a view of how it looks like here in this area. So this is the French Riviera. Over there behind this mountain is Monaco. I will walk down the road here now. It's good to walk and to burn calories. And here you have a spectacular view of the coast, which is very hilly. I mean, there are many hills and narrow roads, so I think it's a good idea to park the car on the higher mountain and walk down and enjoy the crowded place without hassle with the car and the parking. So I will continue my walk now and get back to you from Monaco. So my friends, Monaco is definitely not the right place for a wheelchair. Everywhere are stairs and like this, and I'm going down now to the direction of the harbor, and everywhere you have this kind of high-rise buildings, because I think it's the most expensive square meter in the world, maybe together with Singapore and Hong Kong. And therefore all the buildings are built up to the sky to save ground, very expensive ground. And yeah, it's okay because I'm going down, but later on when I have to climb up all the way back to my car, I don't know, it will be really tough. So here is a street view